In a world where productivity meets innovation, having the right tech accessories can completely change how your workspace looks and functions. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 10, Hagibis Stand Opener. This 5-in-1 foldable phone stand is the Swiss Army knife of desktop gadgets. Not only does it hold your phone securely both horizontally and vertically with anti-slip support, but it also functions as a bottle opener, box cutter, mini ruler, and hex wrench. Weighing just 73 grams and folding down to only 5 millimeters, it slides right into your wallet or bag. Made from anodized alloy, it's durable and sleek, perfect for anyone who values function and minimalism. The cutout allows for charging while in use, making it ideal for movie watching or gaming marathons. Number 9. Siindoo ANC Headphone. Siindoo's hybrid active noise-canceling headphones come loaded with features, an LED touchscreen with customizable controls, 18 language options, dual-device Bluetooth 5.3, and a massive 70-hour battery life. With 40mm dynamic drivers, you'll experience deep bass and crystal-clear sound whether you're in a meeting or immersed in music. The foldable, rotatable design and soft earmuffs ensure all-day comfort. Plus, the screen isn't just for show. You can set alarms, control music, even take photos remotely. Number 8. Divoom Times Frame. This isn't just a digital photo frame. The Divoom Times Frame is a full-on multimedia hub. With a 10.1-inch HD screen, stereo speakers, pixel art capabilities, and live displays for crypto, stocks, and the weather, it's part art, part productivity dashboard. Upload photos and videos wirelessly and watch them come alive with immersive sound. No subscriptions, just plug, play, and personalize. Number 7. Baseus 11-in-1 Dock. Streamline your workspace with the Baseus USB-C 11-in-1 dock. Whether you're running multiple displays or need ultra-fast data transfer, this docking station handles it all. It supports triple display on Windows, dual display on macOS, and comes equipped with USB 3.1, USB 2.0, HDMI 4K at 60 Hz, DisplayPort, RJ45 Ethernet, and more. It even supports 100 watts PD fast charging. Built from aluminum alloy, this hub not only performs, it looks great doing it. Number 6. Puluz Lightbox Kit. Create professional-looking product shots with ease using the Puluz Photo Lightbox. This foldable LED light tent includes up to 12 background colors and CRI 95 lighting for accurate shadow-free photos. Ideal for sellers, creators, or hobbyists, it sets up in seconds and delivers studio-quality results in a compact, USB-powered form. Number 5. KPON Invisible Charger. Charge your phone like magic with the KPON Invisible Wireless Charger. It mounts under your desk or table and charges through surfaces up to 30 millimeters thick. No cables, no mess, just seamless wireless power. The package includes alignment tools, magnets, and even a QC 3.0 adapter. It supports iPhones and all Qi-enabled devices, blending perfectly into modern, minimalist setups. Number 4. Mijia Nail Clipper. Xiaomi's Mijia Smart Nail Clipper is far more than it sounds. With a built-in light, 2-speed settings, and safe curved blades, it makes trimming nails easy for both kids and adults. It even has a polishing function. Weighing under 100 grams, it's compact and rechargeable, perfect for travel or everyday grooming with a touch of high-tech comfort. Number 3. Baseus Power Bank. The Baseus Magnetic Power Bank redefines portable charging. At just 7.6 millimeters thick and 108 grams in weight, it fits in your pocket like a card. It delivers 15 watts wireless and 20 watts wired charging with strong magnets that snap to your phone effortlessly. Crafted from aluminum and soft silicone, it's stylish, scratch-resistant, and super convenient for everyday use. Number 2. Beauty Mini Fridge. This 4-liter beauty fridge is a must for skincare lovers and gamers alike. It cools and heats, stores up to 6 cans or beauty products, and works both in your room and your car. With a sleek, modern design and dimmable LED lighting, it's as aesthetic as it is practical. Its food-grade liner and ultra-quiet operation make it safe, silent, and ideal for any space. Number 1. Skydimo RGB Lights. Take your gaming setup to the next level with Skydimo Monitor Ambilight. This RGB strip syncs directly with your screen, creating an immersive lighting experience that matches the colors on display. Easy USB connection and custom modes via software give you total control. Whether it's for gaming, working, or relaxing, your desk just got a serious glow up. That wraps up our list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks. Until next time, take care.